All right, so a valid argument. A valid argument. All right. This is really something different than true or false, right? True or false. This is valid and invalid. All right. A valid argument is an argument having premises. Whenever the premises are true, it implies the conclusion is also true. So let me write down in proper manner here. So suppose that we have the premises P1, P2, and Pn minus 1, all right? And suppose that the Pn is the conclusion, all right? This is, suppose the premises, and this is the conclusion, all right? So whenever P1, P2 up to Pn minus 1, these premises are true, are all true, it implies that the conclusion Pn is also true. In this case, we call the argument to be valid, all right? To be valid here. So otherwise it will be invalid. So the otherwise case, what is the otherwise case? If there is some case that P1, P2, and Pn minus 1 up to, if they're all true but the conclusion is false, then we will say that this argument fails. In other words, it's not valid, it is invalid. Okay, so otherwise it is called an invalid argument. All right, this is, otherwise it's called invalid argument. All right, so let me give you a valid argument and invalid argument here. But before giving those examples, we have to learn some methods here to determine the validity of the argument. All right, so it will be our next task to discuss, and then I will give you the examples. Okay.